This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Mini Cooper steering wheel step by step. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and waiting 5 minutes, then remove the key and position the wheels straight. Use the proper Torx driver to loosen airbag fasteners, support the airbag as you release connectors, and place it facing up on a soft surface while you proceed with steering wheel removal. With the wheel centered and keys removed, loosen the Torx bolts behind the wheel just enough to free the airbag. Pull the module forward gently and inspect the connector tabs, then depress each release while supporting the module so it does not flop. Set the airbag face up on a padded surface and keep bolts and small parts organized for an easy reassembly process. If this walkthrough is useful, please hit subscribe and like so I can make more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: while you work on the steering, grab a little Tree's black ice for a fresh-smelling car cabin and a light mood boost as you tinker. I find it makes long jobs feel easier and keeps the car pleasant after grease and tools. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After removing the airbag, mark the steering wheel alignment to the splines so you preserve tracking. Loosen and remove the center retaining nut, but hold the wheel steady to prevent twisting the shaft. If the wheel resists, thread a puller and apply even pressure until it releases, then lift straight off to avoid bending the horn contacts or damaging the clock spring assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.